Good evening everyone, my name is Anushmita Mukherjee and today I am going to say something about communication. So before starting we should know that what is communication. Communication is an act of sharing our thoughts, sharing our views with a group of people, and at the same time we should keep in our mind that whatever we are saying, that is completely understood by our audience. So here are few points you should keep in our mind while you are communicating. Number 1, use easy language. Do not use tough language, because at the end your work is and your purpose is to make your audience understood. If you will use any tough language, any tough words, they might have not that ability to understand. So use easy language to make a proper communication. Number 2 is have a smiling face. While you are communicating, always have a smile on your face. That will always encourage and that will always encourage your audience to listen to you. Number 2, body language. You should always have a proper body language while you are communicating. Body language is known as universal language. Even without using a single word, you can communicate with someone with the help of your body language. Number 3, you should keep in your mind is eye contact. Eye contact plays a vital role in communication. This helps to attract your viewers. Always have a proper eye contact with each and every person you are contacting or you are communicating with. Maybe with 2 people, maybe with 3 people, or in a group. If you have a large group, then make a column and look at one group for few seconds and then at another group for few seconds. So never forget to maintain a eye contact to make a communication better. Next point you should always keep in your mind is you should have a motivating approach. You should always motivate yourself. You should always motivate others. This will make a communication better. Thank you so much.